Tonight we're gonna hike that mountain in the background again. We did it the other night while we were looking for manbearpig. But tonight we're gonna do it with the sunset in the back. Sorry for the light. Yep. I've brought the drone, so I'll record the sunset in Gumi here. But it will be, we'll see how fast we can get up there before the sun sets. Brought some tactical torches. Unfortunately, Lumi's not with us tonight, which is a shame because she's very, she likes this sort of stuff, but she's gone shopping. She got taken from me going shopping. So you miss out, Lumi. So the aim is to go up to where that tower is at the top, because that's as far as we got last time, and then see where it takes us. Stay with us. The one thing we didn't see the other night is a graveyard, which is right there. The one thing Koreans like is getting buried in the mountains because there's no space for graveyards, so they buy little plots on the side of a mountain, and the family owns that site. Whenever a family member dies, they get buried there. It's cool but creepy, because you never know when you're going to stumble onto a graveyard.
I think it's kind of cool, but they're literally everywhere. If you drive along the freeway and look up the side of any mountain, they'll be sort of dotted everywhere, and you go for an hour's drive and you'll see them all over the place. It's not like here's an area where there's 50 people buried. It's just like here's 5 and down the road there's another 5.
Yeah.
I think it's kind of cool. I'm going to get cremated anyway, so...
Yeah, I'm going to get shot out of a cannon.
Yeah, and remember, do not resuscitate.
Yeah. Me, out of a cannon, aim at the nearest kindergarten. We're more than halfway up. We're nearly there, actually. The other night it took us like half an hour. We've only been going for like 15 minutes. We made it to where we were last time. It's the view of Gumi, well, one side of it anyway. We're gonna keep going, see how far we can get before I die. That was some good drone footage. Got attacked by crows on the way in. Alright, well, we saw how high it goes, so we're continuing on our hike, looking for manbearpig. Wow. I know you can't see very well, but between those trees is Gumi. It's always worth going off the beaten track and exploring. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Keep going. Yep. Wow, that view is fantastic. Oh, what's up here? There's a bit of a clearing. Oh man, it's a graveyard. Holy crap. We're not gonna, well, we're not gonna do a Logan Paul and film stupidity. We will be respectful, but it's pretty amazing. And look, it goes right. It's a bigger footpath. Definitely not our intention to walk through a graveyard, but I think that's pretty cool because the idea is that they're facing the sunset. The idea is that they either get sunrises or sunsets. Interesting culture. I need to Google more about that. We found the top of the mountain. It's amazing. It's an actual hiking trail. Oh wow, they got a gym set up here. No way. As if this hike hasn't been enough. Koreans take their exercise seriously here. Wow. We didn't find manbearpig, but this was pretty awesome. Oh, I can see the entire Gumi. Put the drone up. this camera doesn't do it justice, but this sunset is amazing. The drone footage would have been good. Hope you enjoyed it, because I did some pretty gutsy moves flying through the trees. I don't usually do crazy stuff with drones, but I bought drone insurance now.
They've got that.
I've got drone insurance now. The Excess is pricey though. It's $1,000, which means it's half the price of the drone. But I do need the new Mavic Pro 2 with digital zoom. We've hiked for 2 kilometers now. We're getting higher and higher. The sun's getting lower. Can't even see it anymore. But it's still fairly bright. So we're gonna keep going. See how far we can get. That's the biggest difference between traveling to Korea and Europe. Europe, lots of historical sightseeing. Korea, you come to get fit. Man, I am exhausted. Wow, the trees are getting really dense here. It just keeps going up. There's no signs or anything, so we don't really know where we are or what this is. And it's very, usually Korean hiking trails, you see a bunch of people. We've seen a bunch of dead people. And we saw one hiker and he kind of laughed at us when I asked him how far. So, it should be interesting. I spoke too soon. We have signs. I don't know what these say. Yeah. All right. So the trail starts kind of going down. So we thought we'll start heading back before it gets too dark. So now, we're gonna go home, have some din-dins, go to the sauna, because we like to get naked these days and get stared at for no reason. And then go in front of a 7-Eleven and have a couple of beers before hitting the sack. That's Gumi Mountain. That's where we were the other day when I destroyed my knees. Oh, it's a bit beautiful. Far. Alright, we're on our final journey without trying to slip ass over head. Whoa. There he goes. Was that fun? We've made it. We're back down at the pond. Oh, this is good. 3.5 kilometers, 700 calories burnt. That's what my Fitbit says. 500 up, 200 down. Obviously up being the hard part. We've confirmed it now. There is no manbearpig in Korea.
Yeah, it's a shame.
It's a shame because
What do you do?
I heard he's delicious. But this is great. This is what we signed up for.
Yeah.
Oh, now to do fun stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. See you on the next journey.